Don't it sound good? Well, come on guys. Well, we picked up Womble's bike. We came back in the worst conditions imaginable. So I offered to leave it at my house so he didn't have to ride all the way home with it because he was absolutely freezing. So I've had it in my house, I've cleaned it, it's rained again, and it's time for me to... It's time for me to deliver it back to Mr. Womble. So this is Womble's new Tuono. It's bloody new Tuono. It's got the aquapovic slip-on the end with the baffles in, and it is seriously loud, even with the baffles in. I've actually got a Zoom H2n recorder in my backpack to hopefully get a better, so you can hear a better idea of how absolutely gorgeous this sounds. Blipper. I want to blipper. This is a 2017 Tuono Factory. Position on it, I can tell you it's a bit more cramped than the Super Duke. Definitely more cramped than the Super Duke. But I'm just trying not to fall in love with this, because everyone knows I was so tempted with the Tuono instead of the Super Duke, but I stick by my reasons. It is a little bit cramped. Super coursers in the wet, not good. A little bit cramped compared to the Super Duke. It's fine, you know, I'm making excuses, I have to be honest, but you are leant forward, whereas the Super Duke you're more sort of upright, so you are more forward biased, and your legs even are definitely tucked up beneath you more on this than what they are on the Super Duke. The Super Duke does suit larger riders better. Little short asses like Womble though, this is bloody perfect for him. It just sounds so good though. The Super Duke sounds good. I think maybe this sounds a little bit better. Blippers are gorgeous. It's a lovely bit of kit, and it's nice to hear one sounding as God intended. Anti-wheelie there, stopping any fun. Shall I go in and turn that off? I better not. It's not my bike. Oh, wet roads. Oh Jesus, wet roads, wet cold roads on super coursers. Oh, I can't wait to see which is quicker. This or the Super Duke. Why did I wear glasses? Why didn't I put my contacts in? You penis! So careful around the corners. So careful. Again, I see shit. Is that slush in the road? Is that icy slush? What a summer it's gonna be. It's amazing how a decent exhaust can just transform just how the bike feels by just having a bit more volume, a bit more of a throaty sound. It just makes the whole riding experience so much more enjoyable. Don't pull out. I love that blipper. Corner. Time to slow to a crawl. Even at 3,000 revs. It's got such a soundtrack. It's coming through. What we're going to do is actually take these to the Santa Pod Raceway. We're going to go up to the quarter mile strip on these. Womble on this, me on the Super Duke, and we'll do some quarter mile launches. Just at a normal, you know, run what you brung day. So perhaps do even like a vlogger meet-up at Santa Pod, quarter mile shootout. Come and watch the Womble and the chops. Yeah. That sounds like a day out. Look, it's dry here, look, it hasn't even rained here. Look at this, absolutely dry. Unbelievable. I won't wear glasses and I'll show you the bike. The filthy bike now, the absolutely disgusting bike now, no doubt. Middle of the car park, still walk around in the middle of the bloody car park. So there she is. Look at the state of it. Poor Womble. Poor Womble's bike. Oh, don't sound nice, doesn't it? Let's wipe the sunnies. Wipe the sunnies. Snotty, 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 snotty. Tuono Factory. Filthy, but beautiful. Even spits flames as well. I don't know if you'll see it in this bright light though. Nah, it's not going to do it in this light. But anyway, it's lovely. You get the point. Let's get it delivered to its new owner. The steering lock is also not as good as the Super Duke by some margin. You can see this bike, sports bike origins. You know, this is a bit of a compromised naked. This. It is. Don't do it. Don't do it. It is a compromised naked because the steering lock's not as good. The position is not as good. I think it's time to turn that anti-wheelie off now. Let's pull over again. I don't want to do it while I'm riding along. Risking it, innit? It's risking it. So I've got to remind myself how you do this now. Wheelie control 1. Traction control. We've got these lovely little buttons here. Let's take the traction control down. That'll do. Wheelie control 1. Traction control turned down a bit. Let me out. Might better give it some beans now. Some beanage. Filtering on somebody else's bike is rather scary. Hello, buddy. It's manners around town, pretty good. There's a little bit of that snatch. A little bit of snatch, not the good. I'm a man who likes a bit of snatch, but oh come on, we don't want to be in the middle of traffic like this. Yeah, you've still got that bit of lash, that bit of snatchy lash around town. You don't get that on the Super Duke. It's fine, you can live with it, you know, it's just a characteristic. Let's call it that. I might have been the wrong roundabout here. Oh, I come the wrong way. Bloody knobhead. As I say, the suspension is definitely a little bit harder than the Duke, a bit less forgiving. Definitely more track orientated, I would say. Yeah, I've come the wrong way. What a knobhead. I'll go back on myself. Ah, more filtering again. What a twat. More filtering. Coming through. I've got a growling Italian beast here. Let me through. Thanks, mate. Cheers, buddy. Cheers, buddy. Oh, this bloody traffic. What a load of pony. What a load of pony and trap. So looking forward to this summer with Womble on this and me on the Super Duke, and we're going to Spain. Oh, it's going to be so good. See, I've been on it, well, I don't know, 40 minutes. Already I'm getting a little bit away on the wrist, tiny little bit. I have been in this traffic though, that's the thing I guess. So you still get a little bit of that sports bike wrist weight. You won't get that on the Super Duke. Go on then, move it. You can do it. Do not put that on me, matey. Oh God, nice bit of road. Don't do it. I daren't put any sort of lean angle down. Not with the shit on the tyres and the temperatures. We need to await the summer for a proper handling test. It's much more racy, you're much more down like a sports bike when it comes to corners. Much more so than the Super Duke. As I said before, the Super Duke is more like a big supermoto. This is much more like a sports bike. This is a sports bike with bars on the end of the day. That is actually what it is. It's nice, but I'm still happy with the Super Duke. We'll see what it's like in the summer when the pace increases. Horses for courses and all that. You pay your money and you make your choice. That's what it comes down to.